Graphic design is as dense as a mainstream course running in other colleges, and student has to undergo a process of thinking out of the box within these 4 years. So it is very important for a student to cover up everything in these 4 years. Every student that comes to DII is not well versed with the tools, materials and the processes. So faculties need to carve out each and everything out of the student so that they become better designers. In 3 years, these students are taught how to communicate. These students are taught through visual studies, through typography, through photography, and in-depth knowledge of how to draw a line, use of colors in various mediums, and applying it to various forms and the advertising industries, as well as other mediums available in the market. So these people are taught how to communicate in these 3 years. After becoming a graphic designer, there are huge amount of opportunities for all these students. They could start with becoming a visualizer, and they can graduate to a graphic artist, then they would graduate to an art director. And this is specifically for advertising industries, and they could find their career in becoming a brand consultant or becoming a freelance illustrator or a photographer. People are less aware of design term as such. It has been treated as a co-curricular activities in the schools and colleges, which is not the case in the present scenario. It has been taken seriously as a subject and are being followed around India. The students get placed in advertising agencies, Marcom offices, design firms, and as a freelancer they could work as an illustrator or a photographer or a freelance designer. Graphic design course is definitely different from all the other mainstream courses because every day students need to invent their own style of working and delivering a particular outcome. There is no set process as such of doing an assignment. Every day student gets to play with colors, with forms, with pencils, with colors, with nature. Every day is exciting.